Bored? Try these healthy activities. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, aka Jua, and I'm so glad you're here. We all have those days where we're just bored out of our minds, right? You know, scrolling endlessly on our phones. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm excited to share 5 healthy activities that you can try whenever boredom strikes. These activities are not only good for your mental and physical health, but they're actually fun. So if you're ready to ditch the boredom and try something new, keep on watching. First up, let's talk about the OG boredom buster, going for a walk. I know it sounds super basic, but hear me out. Sometimes all you need is a change of scenery to refresh your mind and get your body moving. Plus, it's a great excuse to get some fresh air and soak up some vitamin D. You can literally walk anywhere. Take a stroll around your neighborhood, explore a nearby park, or even just walk around your house. I personally love putting on my headphones, blasting some good music, and just walking without a destination in mind. It's so therapeutic. And the best part? Walking is completely free and doesn't require any special equipment. Just throw on some comfy shoes and you're good to go. So, next time you're feeling restless, lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Okay, so maybe walking isn't really your thing. No judgment here. If you're more of an indoor person like me, why not try your hand at cooking a new healthy recipe? Trust me, it's way more fun than it sounds. I used to think cooking was this big, intimidating thing, but it's actually pretty easy and rewarding. Plus, there are so many amazing recipes out there for every diet and skill level. You can find anything from quick and easy weeknight dinners to elaborate gourmet meals. The possibilities are endless, and the best part? You get to eat your delicious creation at the end. There's something so satisfying about enjoying a meal that you made yourself. So ditch the takeout menus and channel your inner chef. You might just surprise yourself with your culinary skills. Chapter 3. Find your Zen, yoga or meditation. Sometimes boredom stems from feeling stressed or overwhelmed. If you're nodding your head right now, then yoga or meditation might be the perfect boredom buster for you. Yoga is all about connecting your mind, body, and breath, which can be incredibly calming and grounding. And if yoga isn't your jam, meditation is another great option. It's basically like hitting the reset button on your mind. All you have to do is find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. It sounds simple, but it can be surprisingly challenging at first. Trust me, the more you practice, the easier it gets. The best part about both yoga and meditation is that you can do them literally anywhere. There are tons of amazing online resources and apps that offer guided meditations and yoga classes for all levels. So, roll out your mat, find your Zen, and say goodbye to stress. Chapter 4. Escape reality. Read a book. Remember the feeling of getting lost in a good book as a kid? It's just as magical as an adult. Reading is the ultimate escape from reality, and it's a fantastic way to stimulate your mind and expand your imagination. Seriously, there's a book out there for everyone. Whether you're into thrillers, romances, memoirs, or anything in between, I guarantee you'll find something that piques your interest. So next time you're feeling bored, ditch the screens and pick up a book. Trust me, your brain will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Get your hands dirty, start a garden. Last but not least, let's talk about the most therapeutic activity on this list: gardening. There's something so grounding and fulfilling about getting your hands dirty and connecting with nature. Plus, you don't need a huge backyard to start a garden. You can easily grow herbs and veggies in pots on your windowsill or balcony. It's a great way to add some greenery to your space and have fresh produce on hand. And let's be real, there's something so satisfying about watching your plants grow from tiny seeds into something you can actually eat. It's like magic, but better. So if you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to spend your time, why not give gardening a try? You might just discover your new favorite hobby. Outro bye for now. And there you have it, you guys. 5 healthy and fun activities to try the next time boredom strikes. I hope you found these ideas helpful and feel inspired to ditch the phone and try something new. Let me know in the comments down below which activity you're most excited to try first. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more fun and relatable content. See you in my next video.